Welcome to Today Breaking News. Here's a highlight of the day. Asia shares cautious as Wall Street futures slip. Sydney, Asian shares market started cautiously on Monday as a run-up shop. U.S. data suggested downside risk for this week's June payroll report, while the hope of a positive recession was still driving a relief rally in government. The surge forcibly kept U.S. dollar near 20-year high, though early action was light with U.S. markets on holiday. Cash treasuries were shut, but futures extended their gains, implying 10-year yield were holding around 2.88%, having fallen 61 basis points from their June peak. David J. Costin, analysis at Goldman Sachs, noted that every S&P 500 sectors bar energy show negative returns in the first half of the year amid extreme volatility. The current bear markets had been entirely valuation-driven rather than the result of reduced earning estimates, he added. However, we expect consensus profit margin forecast to fall, which will lead to downward EPS revision whether or not the economy falls into recession. The market is pricing in around at 55% chance of another hike of 75 basis points this month and risk at 3.25 to 3.5% by year-end. But the market has also moved to price an increasingly aggressive rate cut profile for the Fed to 2023 and 2024, consistent with a growing chance of recession, noted analysts as NAB. The euro was flat at $1.0433, not far from its recent 5-year low of $1.0349. The European Central Bank is expected to raise interest rates this month for the first time in a decade. The Japanese yen also attracted same safe haven flows last week, dragging the dollar back to 135 yen from a 24-year top of 137.01. A high dollar is rising interest rates have not been kind to non-yielding gold, which were pegged at $1,808 an ounce, having hit a 6-month lowest. Fears of a global economic downturn also undermined industrial matter, with copper hitting a 17-month low, having sunk 25% from its March peak. Still, sellers were out early Monday and Brent slipped 34 cents to $111.29, while US crude is 23 cents to $108.20. Thank you for subscribing our channel. I see you in the next newsletter.